Hey guys, it's been a while since I filmed, to be honest, but like I'm really excited because today I'm going to be ruining my hair. Okay, here's the thing that gets me. This box dye that I used was like semi-permanent because this shit is still in my hair and like the lines are so harsh. I'm like, they lied. And now I was like, okay, so since the rest of my hair is screwed anyway, how about let's like have some fun and like do some weird stuff and like mess around, because you know what, I'm in quarantine and it's like, when is a better time to mess up my hair than right now when no one has to see it except for me? Okay, yeah, let's do this. Hey friends, so we're in my bathroom right now. So now I'm gonna fucking bleach my hair. Well, like my roots. So I'm obviously inspired by Billie Eilish. Like, I really love her music. I really fuck with her style and just like, I don't know, just really good energy from Billie Eilish. I love her green hair. I love it. Some people hate it. I think it is beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. So I'm not gonna do green, but I am gonna do blue. I'm really excited. If this all goes wrong, well, we'll have some good content. If this goes wrong, I better be on Brad Mondo's YouTube channel. But let's hope it doesn't go wrong, because I actually don't want to mess up my hair. So the first thing that I'm gonna be going in with is the bleach. So I'm using this in my roots. I'm really nervous. Also, if you hear the fan on my computer, sorry. Don't know what to tell you. She's broke. I'm gonna divide my hair up into some sections. I have a mirror behind me as well, this black thing. That's another mirror, so I can try and like see behind me. Because I kind of really want to do like a super good job at this. As if the blue isn't gonna look good. Like I think I have neutral skin, so it'll be okay, but like I feel like I'm leaning warm, so I'm a little nervous. Just gotta take some risks, you know? We're in quarantine, and like, why not, you know? My hair is really dirty. Brad Mondo told me to wait a couple days to wash it before I bleach it, because bleach is gonna go through everything anyways, and I'm pretty sure I'm using really bad bleach. But he said all bleaches are kind of the same, but I don't really know, and I'm kind of nervous. This is honestly a look, like, wow. See, this is going to be one of those times in my life when I read the instructions. The girl has no idea what she's doing. I would just really prefer not to go bald, honestly. Like, I think that would be kind of sick if I just wasn't bald. Oh my god, the gloves are in here. That's smart. You know what? No, that is smart, because you have to open the instructions to get the gloves. I see what she did there. Oh my god, these gloves are kind of a mood. Who's ready? Not me. Bitch, this is actually, this application, rest in peace. Just use a lot, right? Just like Brad Mondo says. Oh wow, that is pretty far down. Whoopsies. Is that how we're doing it? Okay. So this is what I have right now, and I'm gonna do the rest of my head, and I will check in like, hopefully kind of soon, because I have to get this done. Okay, bye. So, yeah, I just bleached my roots and I look like Einstein. So you can kind of see, I don't know what it looks like back, y'all. And like, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, no, that's rough. We're just gonna hope that it's gonna look good. And, oh, that's actual bleach. Yeah, I shouldn't touch my hair. Guys, you guys, this is the part where I know that I fucked up. No, we're not there yet. Okay, it's currently 10:38. I'm gonna leave this on for another, like, probably just till 11. The bottom is gonna be super developed though. So this is what we're dealing with. Tell me that's not the most ratchet bleach job you've ever seen in your life. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm about to rinse it out. It is 11, and then I'm gonna be back and we're gonna do the fucking hair dye. Hey party people, so we're back. This is what she looks like. So I blow dried it and it's mostly dry, but like the roots are dry. So it's kind of the only part that matters. This is what the back looks like. I don't know what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, pretty ratchet. So this is semi-permanent hair dye in sapphire blue from Joico. It was cheap as hell on Amazon, so gang. So I'm gonna get some gloves and put this baby on. So I'm gonna put some petroleum jelly or like Vaseline on my face so that I don't dye like my face when I'm doing this. It's just not the goal, you know? I'm really nervous. The bleach is in, so like we're here, you know? I'm really, really nervous right now. Like, fuck it, we all just work here. I'm just gonna, you just gotta go in with it, you know? You really can't, see, like, you can't turn back now. Oh, that is sick. That's kind of really sick, dude. Oh my god, there's really no strategy to this, like, whatsoever. I think we're really just doing the shampoo technique right now. I just applied my hair dye, and I'm gonna wait 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out. So I will show you the results tomorrow. Until then, peace. Good night. Hey guys, okay, so this is the finished product of the Blue Roots. How do we feel? Because I don't really know how to feel. I'm not like mad. I'm not like really happy. I honestly, I'm completely like indifferent. This is the hair, and I did some cute like makeup to go with it. Also, let me know if you guys want to see weed review videos. I do enjoy the Herbal Jazz cigarettes, and I think that it would be really cute if we have like a moment and appreciate the cannabis industry. So please let me know if you guys want to see that down below, and I will be reviewing some legal marijuanas that you can purchase at the OCS at the very least, because I do live in Ontario, because I think that's going to be kind of like a really big thing, and then we can just like hang out and vibe after. I don't know, maybe I'll like get high and then like do my makeup. I don't know, I think it'd be kind of fun. So please let me know if you guys want to see that. I think it would be super duper fun, and it could be a good time. Before I forget, I have TikTok, guys, and I don't post on there very often because I start to look and I get halfway through it and then I'm like, snap, I really should have started a TikTok on this like I did today. Come again, thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it, you know. Always have such a good time with you. Yeah, thanks for being a bro, you know. We're all just bros in a world of bros. And some of us are dudes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got this far in, congrats, we made it to the end. It was fun. I hope that you come back next time I post some very strange content, because you know what? Life is like a box of chocolates. And that's all I have to say. Alright guys, I will catch you in my next video. Bye.